I used my very favorite BIN or Bin Shellac-Based Primer. This primer covers up any bleed through and is a bonding primer as well, so the paint sticks to it really, really nicely. I like using a foam brush. I get them from the dollar store, a pack of 4 for I think it's $1.50 if I'm not mistaken. And I use a Dixie cup to pour it onto a paper plate, and then I use the roller to apply it. Now, I know a lot of people have tried this shellac-based primer and they find it a little difficult to work with, but once you get the hang of it, it's super easy. I have a full tutorial that I will link in the cards above and also in the description down below on how to use BIN shellac-based primer. Another great thing about this primer is it dries in like 20 minutes. It dries super fast. So, I mean, if you're pumping out a lot of furniture like I am, there's no downtime to this primer whatsoever.